17, 18, 19, 22, 23, 24. Good morning. How are you today?
Good. How are you?
Doing good.
Sorry, everything's a mess.
That's okay.
Look through whatever. Looking for anything particular?
Just looking. So.
And, yeah, just move stuff around.
Yeah.
That's a computer thing.
Yeah. This yard sale was complete and utter chaos. You can hear the music blasting. You'll hear the dogs here barking in a minute. So I got to talk over a big portion of this here in the very beginning. But she said that these Louis Vuitton purses were fake. She ended up buying them off Facebook Marketplace. She's just looking to blow stuff out right now. And I wasn't really finding much. But just wait, guys. We're about to have one of the greatest finds we ever found at a garage sale.
Those are ladies' shoes.
Mm-hmm. How much you have on your shoes?
Make me an offer. I'm looking to just get rid of everything.
College with a degree in material sciences.
As you can hear in the background, he's trying to fix his radio, so he just keeps switching through the channels here. But I should have probably picked up these roosters and these chickens. I didn't ask how much, but I think they would have done well on eBay or whatnot. But I ended up deciding to leave those behind. Well, hello. She had two book sets. One was House of Night and the other one was Vampire Academy. These are both sci-fi vampire books. Be on the lookout if you guys do find them. They do sell well. $3 for $3 and $3, so $6 for.
Yep.
Okay, cool. All right, this is where things get interesting. I was about to leave and I just asked him, "Do you guys have any old NASCAR shirts or old concert shirts?" And he said, "Yeah, hold on one second." And he brought me out his dresser drawer filled with shirts. And you guys won't believe what was inside of it. All right, so he has the music blasting at this point. So he did tell me that he hasn't got rid of any of his shirts from the 80s or 90s, and that he has a bunch of NASCAR shirts in here, concert shirts.
There's tags are all in them. Here's the shirts I was saving. Here's a Harley shirt my brother gave me.
Gotcha.
This might be too small for you.
Cool. He told me if I like what I see, he has more shirts in the house, that we can go in the house and look at the other shirts. And he was only asking $5 a shirt. So let's see what else we can pull out from this. Make sure you guys wait to the end, because we are going to show you guys everything that we end up picking up here and what some of these shirts are actually worth. And you guys will not believe some of the stuff that we end up pulling up later on in this video. So make sure you guys do watch the end to see, just like this Scorpions concert shirt from 1990.
This one for $5, this one for $3.
Okay. All right, so this is where things get a little weird. He brings me into the house to go in his bedroom, start picking through his underwear drawer, and we're going to look for more vintage shirts in there and see what else we can find. I will say the lighting is really bad in here, so I want to show you a little bit of the footage because you can't really see much because he had no lights in his bedroom. These are the ones I was going to pass on, so.
Okay. They're in the back, I guess.
Okay.
Let me show you. I can't. McDonald's already?
Oh, that one's cool.
No, I did
You know how old that is?
Yeah. That's a cool one. I like that one.
Like back from the 70s.
I don't think it's.
He's got hats all around.
Yeah. He was just showing me. He was showing me them.
Here's another Ford one. These are good. Just all wrinkled up and sitting on top of you.
Is this for sale?
Yeah.
All right. Add to the pile.
Yeah. That's $10 though.
Okay.
Okay.
That's your fair with me.
The hats are like the same as t-shirts, $5.
Oh, this one's busted. Clip's broken on it.
Yeah, I think that. Oh, is it?
Yeah.
That's how old it is.
Yeah.
I never tore them up.
Yeah.
That's just cracked off.
All right, you said we'll go in the. You said the back room then?
Yeah.
Nah, I'll pass on those hats. I was interested in that one, but it's busted on it, so. I got a little mechanic shop back here.
Yeah.
Here,
yeah.
I'll grab it for you.
That's old. Good registration. Good registration.
Yeah.
Okay.
You say you can blow them off real fast?
Oh, sure. Here. I gotta start. Let me start this.
What are you asking for the cars?
$10.
So we found these two hats. So you wanted 5 a piece of these?
5.
All right, I'll do that. That's fair. And then you had all these cars. What were you asking per car then for these?
10.
10 per car?
Yeah.
All right, I think, I don't know, let me see these ones.
Add this all up.
Oh, we'll add up. I got a calculator. I think I'll take these 3.
Okay.
I think I'll pass on these other ones though. Like the,
Those
yeah, the Earnhardt ones are cool.
someday
Yeah.
be worth
Yeah.
more money than what I have.
Do you want to bring those back outside and put them out for sale, or just keep them in here?
Yeah, just
Keep them in here. Okay, no
every
problem.
once in a while.
We're at 40 bucks
Box
there.
and all.
Box and all. Okay.
Yeah, in other words, you roll it out of
Yeah,
here.
yeah. Just throw in the
So
back
we're
of the
looking
truck.
like about $5 grand.
5 grand. Okay. We got 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. So we're at 40 bucks right there.
Okay.
We are at 50 bucks with the jacket.
Okay.
All right, and then I got 1, 2, 3.
Oh man, hang on a second. You need a box or something.
Yeah, I mean, just a garbage bag.
No.
You
You
want to put
can
them?
take it here.
Okay.
With all your buying, you deserve it
All right.
nicely.
1, 2, 3.
Get your boxes too. Okay, yeah, do that. Pile
4,
it in there and count them while you.
6,
I was going to tell you. I was going to warn you
8,
about that. But I was talking.
17,
Got any kids?
18, 19, 20. I have steps on. 21, 22,
Are you married?
23. Yes, sir.
Is your wife going to be pissed off?
No. 24. All right, guys, this might be one of the weirdest pickups I've ever done in my entire life. Now, I'm not sure. I know my video ended up cutting out at one point in time. I wasn't expecting to be there for a while. I was there for over an hour. He had me picking through his house. He brought me to his bedroom, go through his drawers, literally picking through an underwear drawer. It's super weird, but man, it paid off. That's why the power of the ass goes a long way, guys. I got there. I didn't think I was gonna find anything. The only thing I found at this sale was a bunch of books. Let me show you. These are the books we found. House of Night novels. They had a whole set of those, so we picked those up. And then, what was the other one? House of Night novels. No, I thought there was another one in here. House of Night. These are all House of Night. Also, this book series, Vampire Academy. So if you guys see vampire sci-fi books and they have the whole series there, pick them up. We paid $3 a series. So we got House of Night novel, picked up a whole stack of those for $3, and we picked up this right here for $3. We should end up getting anywhere from like 15 to 20 bucks probably per stack. So we paid $6. We should get around 40 bucks or 40, 50 bucks probably for those. She then brought me out a stack. She brought me out a bunch of Kate Spade wallets and purses. Well, actually Kate Spade clutches and purses. Then we paid 10 bucks for these and $6 for these. So we got all these for 16 bucks. Great score. All right, so now let me show you this crazy pickup. I still cannot believe what we just got. I'm not sure if the camera cut out there, but showed at the very end, but we ended up paying, he wanted $5 a shirt. We made a deal for $125 for all the shirts. And then we ended up getting a jacket for 10 bucks, 2 hats for $5 each. And then I bought these NASCAR cars for 10. So here are the NASCAR Dale Earnhardt ones. Paid 10 bucks a piece for these. There's that one, and this one right here. These should get us about anywhere from 30 to 40 bucks a pop for those. Picked up some sweatshirts. Now, because I picked up, these are blanks, but because of the tag on these are old and vintage. So people will buy these and actually use them and get screen printed or get stuff on them. So we got one of those, got a second one. Picked this one up because it's local to the Florida area, but it's on just a made in USA tag. 70s. I don't know. One of those. It was a shirt that was. So I picked it up because it is on a Screen Star's Best tag, made in USA, and I thought it was super cool. This is not a vintage tee, but this is from the Super Bowl where the Buccaneers played the Chiefs. I thought the graphics were super cool on this one from 2021 in Tampa. And then these are brand new. Here's a Chevy shirt. There's a Napa shirt from like maybe 2001. Mr. Goodwrench. And this is cool, made in USA, but this is brand new. Now, this is the part you guys have been waiting for. Look at all these shirts and what we got. This is absolutely insane. This may be my greatest t-shirt find I've ever found at a garage sale before. Don't know what this one is here, but it's from 2000. There's a, I think it's a Richard Petty shirt maybe. I don't know, but here's Pepsi for 400. These aren't too old. I think these are a little bit newer ones here. You know, a lot of them do have the years on them, but all right, we got a Budweiser shirt. This Coca-Cola shirt's super cool. This is actually from 1993 USA. Got a Winston shirt right here, early 90s. This is from 1994, but look at the graphics on this one here, man. The Brickyard 400, that's a cool one, 1994. Here are Kellogg's from 1998. Skittles Chevy jacket. This is a suede jacket, but I just realized after I bought it that it had a hole in the bottom of it. That's okay though. Paid 10 bucks for that. That one he wouldn't charge me. Paid 5 bucks for these Good Wrench racing hats. They're vintage. Not used to seeing this tag. Eagle Ridge, made in USA. And this one is Fisher Licensed Sports, but here comes some of the money ones. 1990 Scorpion shirt. Concert shirt from 1990. Tag, but it does the concert on the back. Dale Earnhardt shirt, Legend. This is from 1995. Profile of a Legend. It's on the Delta tag. This is on a Screen Stars Best tag, I think. Screen Stars Best tag. This is the Harley Davidson. Does it have a year in this one? It does have a year. We got Tony Labata. That's from 1995. What tag is that on? Probably it's the old Fruit of the Loom tag. We got this Gravedigger shirt. This Gravedigger shirt from 1994. Awesome shirt. Tag for that one. NASCAR 50th anniversary shirt. We got a Winston Cup shirt over there. This is where it gets nuts. A Way of Life, Harley Davidson. This is a 3D emblem tag. So I don't know, this is from the 80s. It does have some bleach stains on it, but, and it's cut off sleeves, so it's gonna hurt the value a little bit, but still. This one, once again, this is a 3D emblem. Harley Davidson B-Town. It is cut off at the neck though, and the sleeves, unfortunately. This is a vintage Lone Star Beer Texas shirt. 3D emblem. Harley Davidson shirt, Rebirth, Rebel by Choice. It doesn't have the tag on it, but it does say 3D emblem right there on there. That's from 1985. Good Wrench. We got a vintage NASA shirt from the Kennedy Space Station. I got a Super Bowl shirt there. We have 2000 Heartland America. We got a Dale Earnhardt shirt right here. It's from what year is this? 1994 Dale Earnhardt shirt. It's on the Sports Image tag. Dale Earnhardt Winston Cup shirt. This is vintage, but it's in a nutmeg tag, made in USA. Now this one's super cool. Don't Fear the Reaper. This is actually from 1989, but I thought it was gonna be 3D emblem. It's actually not. It's on the Jess Brass tag, made in USA. Still vintage, but still a cool shirt. Winston Cup is another vintage one here. Not familiar with this tag. Actually, I don't think I've ever seen this tag, made in USA. But as you can tell, it's super hot here in Florida, but this is an absolutely insane haul. We ended up getting a total of 39 shirts all together. Paid $125 for all the shirts. $5 a piece. We paid 10 bucks for the 2 hats and 10 bucks for the jacket. And then I paid 10 bucks a piece for the cars. $175. We are $175 all in on this pickup. So I had no idea these 3 Harley shirts were 3D emblem until right now. They didn't have tags on them, and the one tag was super faded. Absolutely insane find. This is went out on a Friday. Normally don't go on Fridays. Maybe I need to go on Fridays more often. Please make sure you guys do like and subscribe. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.